song is the original song. This is the original composition by River Maya. And I would like to greet my fans out there. Especially to the fan named Mark Manakil. Keep on sending me email and text messages every day.
Binabatik nga po pala yung lola ko na, Lola, nandito na po sa Wawawi! Okay, go. Are you ready? Yeah?
Let's get on.
Let's get it on.
Let's get it on. Yeah.
That's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Ito na yung gitara.